Okay, good morning students. Welcome to online class once again. So today I shall be explaining you to the remaining part of the chapter determiners. So in the last chapter I had explained to you about the determiner a and. I hope you remember. So today I shall take up this topic, this article, sorry, the. Now, last video I had already explained to you regarding the use of a and an. So it was very simple, like a and an. If we know the vowel sounds and consonant sounds, easily we can easily it can be specified or it can be classified. But now in the case of I don't know you remember or not, but then the is a definite determiner. The is a definite determiner. Why it is called definite? Because it has got some particular characteristic. Means it is used, the is used where it is told, where the sentence is telling you about something in particular. Okay, specification of something particular. Now, for that we have to follow, there are many characteristics under this head of the. Now, in order to know all this, we have to follow, we have to understand the characteristics which falls under this the. Now, for that, I will take the help of the textbook. So, we will go through the textbook line by line and please follow it. Of course, we know where we are supposed to use the, but theoretically, we should know something more. The omission of determiner, the where determiner is not supposed to be used. So I would like you to go through this page properly so that you will understand when you go deep into it. Okay. Before the names of provinces, areas and countries, when the names suggest that they are made up of smaller units. So the example you can see the Northwest Frontier Province, the United Kingdom, the United States of America. Before noun which name the inhabitants of a country collectively or as a community. Suppose the Germans are born engineers. The Japanese are a very hard-working people. Definite determiner. The is also used before common nouns which are only one of their kind. Example, the sun, the earth, the stars. Because all these, there are no other sun or there are no other earth. They are only one. Before collective nouns, the army, the parliament, the Lok Sabha, the committee. So, the army is a collection of soldiers. So that way in the parliament there are many people who form a parliament. Okay. Number C, before adjectives used in apposition or a proper noun qualified by an adjective. Akbar the Great had a wise courtier named Birbal. King Solomon the Wise. So when we speak like this, Akbar is the name of a noun, but when we use as an adjective, the great is adjective, so the is used before an adjective. Wise is used, the is used before wise. Before an adjective, when the noun omitted is understood, it usually refers to a group of persons and it is in the plural. We should help the poor. So, poor is not one single person, poor is a plural noun. The sick, as a whole, it is called as a plural noun. Before an ordinal number, the first. These are the countings in number. So, when it is said as first, second, third, fourth, then it is termed as ordinal number. Before the superlative degree, Mohan is the most helpful boy in the class. Leela is not the poorest girl in our school. So, poorest or most helpful, they are the superlative forms. In comparative constructions, he is the cleverest of the two. So, cleverer of the two, sorry. The more he gets, the more he wants. The more, the merrier. So it is in a comparative form between two. Then definite determiner the is used before the names of holy books, newspapers, ships and trains, musical instrument. So you can look at the examples: the Holy Bible, the Vedas, the Quran, the Times of India, the Hindu, the Titanic, the Rajdhani. Then musical instruments, he plays the violin but not the piano. So these are the musical instruments. Then the next topic is, okay students, let us start. So we use the definite determiner the when we refer to a particular person, animal or thing. For example, this is the boy whom we met yesterday. So I had told you earlier, we have to refer to the particular boy. This is the particular boy whom we met yesterday. When we speak of a person, animal or thing, we have already mentioned. Now this example, there are three sentences. Look it at carefully. We met a soldier. The soldier was carrying a gun. The gun was painted blue. So you can see here the soldier, the gun. Now we met a soldier. So this, when we say about the soldier, this soldier had been spoken about already. So this is the use of the. When a single noun represents a whole class, the dog is a faithful animal. That means the dog term is used for all the dogs. Okay, cow. The cow gives us milk. Now it is talking about all the cows. The definite determiner the is used before the names of oceans, seas, gulfs, river, mountain, ranges and group of islands. The Indian Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, the Bay of Bengal, the Ganga river, the Himalayas mountain. So these are the examples.